Welcome back to the Cash Flow Factor, where we take the guesswork out of managing your business finances. I'm your host, Norm Porthouse, and today's episode is all about unmasking the mystery behind financial statements. Ever felt overwhelmed staring at a balance sheet or confused by a cash flow statement? You're not alone, but there's good news. We're going to help you. We're going to simplify it all for you. We'll talk about why financial statements aren't just paperwork, but powerful tools for understanding and growing your business. We'll learn how to read them, spot opportunities, and avoid costly mistakes. By the end of this episode, you'll feel more equipped to take control of your business finances. Oh, and stay tuned for a special case study that shows the real-world impact of mastering financial numbers. Plus, we'll wrap it up with actionable steps you can implement today. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. All right, first things first. What even are financial statements and why do they matter? Think of them as the GPS for your business. They show you where you are financially and guide you toward your goals. Now, there are three key types you need to know about. The first is the balance sheet. This is like a snapshot of your business at any moment in time. It outlines assets, liabilities, and equity. Think of it this way. Assets are what you own, liabilities are what you owe, and equity is what's left over for you. It's your business's financial health report. The second is the income statement. This statement tracks your revenue, expenses, and profits over a specific period of time. Want to know if your business is making money or just treading water? This statement has all the answers. And there's the cash flow statement. This is arguably the most important, but also the least understood. It shows how cash moves in and out of your business. Here's the thing, even profitable businesses can run out of cash. This report helps you avoid that trap. Understanding these three statements is unlocking a new level of awareness of how your business is performing. Okay, so now we know what these documents are, but how do you actually use them? Here's how to streamline the process and extract actionable insights. First, don't skim. Start with the big numbers and look for trends over time. Compare them month to month or year to year to spot patterns. There are also key ratios and metrics that every small business owner should keep an eye on. The first is the current ratio. This shows your ability to pay your short-term obligations. A ratio above 1 is healthy. Next is profit margins, both gross and net. Understand what percentage of your revenue turns into profit. And third is the day sales outstanding. How quickly you're collecting payments. Faster collections equal better cash flow. These are the most common mistakes to avoid. First, ignoring cash flow numbers because profit is enough. Spoiler alert, it's not. Overlooking trends and only focusing on one good or bad month. And third, not seeking help when you're unsure. A simple mistake could cost you big time. Now to bring this to life, here's a story about Sarah, a boutique store owner we worked with. Sarah was running a successful business, but her cash flow was erratic. She had piles of paperwork, but no clarity. After just one consultation, we pinpointed the root of her issues. She wasn't tracking her day sales outstanding, and collecting payments was taking nearly 45 days. We helped her streamline her invoicing system, negotiate better payment terms, and introduce recurring reminders for late payments. Within 2 months, she reduced her day sales outstanding to 20 days. With better cash flow, she invested in new inventory and increased revenue by 30%. This wasn't magic. It was knowledge and strategy applied correctly. Inspired by Sarah's story, here's how you can get started right away. First, schedule time for review. Dedicate at least 1 day a month to reviewing your financial statements. Second, start small. Focus on one report at a time. For beginners, I recommend starting with the cash flow statement. Third, use tools and technology. Software like QuickBooks or apps like Wave can automate much of the financial grunt work. And 4, ask for help. Whether it's a bookkeeper, accountant, or a service like ours, professional guidance can save you time and headaches. And 5, educate yourself. Invest in learning resources. You don't need to be a CPA, but knowing the basics can make a world of difference. To sum it all up, financial statements are your business superpower. When you take the time to understand and use them effectively, you can unlock insights that can boost your revenue, stabilize cash flow, and set your business up for long-term success. If you're hesitant to tackle this alone, remember we're here to help. At Porthouse & Associates, we specialize in simplifying financial data to empower businesses just like yours. Visit porthouseadvisors.com to book a free consultation. Together, we'll make your finances work for you, not against you. And if you like today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a fellow business owner who could use some financial clarity. Until next time, keep growing, keep managing, and most importantly, keep thriving. You've been listening to The Cash Flow Factor with Dawn Porthouse. Thanks for tuning in.